Do you know how to top up the screen wash fluid level in a truck? My name is Vitor and I'm going to show you how to. Clear visibility is paramount in ensuring safe driving conditions no matter the weather. Today, I will show you how to easily refill the screen wash fluid. Let's walk you through the steps right now. Before you start, ensure your truck is parked safely and the engine is turned off. It's important to perform this task in a secure environment. In most trucks, the screen wash reservoir is located behind a panel near the front of the engine compartment. Look for a panel that can be easily opened or removed without the need for tools. Locate the screen wash reservoir beneath. The reservoir cap is typically marked with a windshield or wiper icon, clearly indicating where to add the screen wash fluid. If you need more help with this task, refer to our previous video on how to check the screen wash level in a truck, and you'll find more detailed information about locating the reservoir. Choosing the right screen wash fluid is crucial. For optimal performance and to prevent freezing in colder climates, use a fluid that's suitable for the weather conditions you'll be driving in. I recommend checking your owner's manual for any specific fluid recommendations or requirements. With the correct fluid at hand, gently pour it into the reservoir until it reaches the max line. Be careful not to overfill, as this could cause spillage. If your truck operates in particularly harsh conditions, consider adding a screen wash additive that's designed to remove tough grime and insects. After filling the reservoir, securely replace the panel. It's a good idea to test the screen wash system to ensure it's working correctly. Thank you for watching. For more tips on how to keep your truck on peak condition, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.